Oh, hey, come on in. Hello everybody, it's Katie here and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making roasted garlic, caramelized onion mashed potatoes. And I know the holidays are coming up and maybe you have Friendsgiving, maybe this is for your family. If you're trying to impress anyone with your mashed potatoes, this one is it. It is chef's kiss. It's unbelievable flavor, so let's make them. Now, this recipe is pretty simple, but at the same time, the prepping of it is a little bit time consuming with roasting the garlic and boiling the potatoes, but I got you. Let's just simplify it a little bit. So first things first, starting with the potatoes. Now, I feel like my mom usually takes, 20 minutes peeling all the frickin' potatoes, and I see her sitting there and she's peeling it into the trash can and just peeling it as she's talking, and I'm like, you know what? There's a simpler version. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. Now, before you boil the potatoes, all you do, you leave the skin on. You're just gonna take that raw potato and create a nice slice circumference right around the potato right there. And you're just gonna boil it just like that with the skin on. All right, now let me show you what I mean, how easy it is to take the skin off the potato after they've been boiled. Come on over here. If you can get a close look at this, come on. Look at the skin just peeling off naturally at these potatoes. I just boiled them and I'm gonna just strain them. I'm saving you guys time because we don't need to watch potatoes boil. Strain the water out. So easy to peel, but I'm gonna let them cool before I fully take the skin off, but look how easy that is. The next really long prep step is roasting the garlic, but let me show you a really easy way to roast the garlic. We're gonna wrap it in tin foil with just a tiny bit of olive oil on top. You're gonna wrap that up and just pop it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, now prepping step 3 is to slice up this onion for the caramelized onion part. Have you guys ever had caramelized onion mashed potatoes? Because oh my goodness, they are insane. Now, the same pot that we just strained those potatoes out of, I'm gonna throw the onions in there. All right, tiny bit of butter, and tossing those onions to caramelize. These onions have been caramelizing in a touch of oil and a touch of butter for about 25 minutes, and now it's time to make the mashed potatoes. I'm so excited. And just like magic, the roasted garlic is now ready. Your mouth is going to water when you see this roasted garlic. Oh my gosh, it smells like heaven. I wish you could smell that through the screen right now, you guys. This roasted garlic, oh my gosh. I wanna just shove my face in it. Look at how easy it is to just mush it out, just like that. We're gonna put that in the potatoes. All right, the potatoes are now cooled off, and I just really wanna show you guys a little bit more in depth of how nice this skin just easily peels off. Plus, if you guys want to keep a little bit of the skin for the mashed potatoes, feel free to do so. It is good for you. I'm tossing this whole potato in the pot, and I'm just gonna repeat that. All right, if you don't have this tool already, a masher for your ground turkey, for your mashed potatoes, you need it, because if you blend potatoes, it'll become this like gluey, nasty texture. So you just really wanna mash them. And to be honest, I like the texture of mashed potatoes more when they're not super smooth. I like chunks in my mashed potatoes, if you know what I mean. Tossing in 2 tablespoons of butter and then a 1/3 cup cream. Then the holy grail. Look at this roasted garlic head. Watch this. Oh, that was like so sexual. Holy moly, you guys. So toss in all the garlic cloves. Yes, all of them. And of course, salt. Lots of salt for mashed potatoes. I also love lots of pepper. Now, something else that I would normally do in this is onion and garlic powder, but you don't even need it because you have that natural flavoring from the roasted garlic and caramelized onions. There's something about onions and garlic in potatoes just to die for. I'm gonna come in here with my masher again. Just make sure all that garlic is mashed on up in the potatoes. Look at that. So delicious. Look at these potatoes, you guys. Roasted garlic, caramelized onion. It's time to taste test. Now, something else that I didn't include in this specific recipe because I think it just gets a little bit too much with roasted garlic, caramelized onion already, but it's Parmesan. So if you guys wanna make these roasted garlic, caramelized onion, Parmesan potatoes, let me tell you, that third bit of Parmesan is so freaking good. I'm gonna come in here and just taste it. Holy moly. And the caramelized onion part of it, so damn good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully you love these potatoes, and I will see you next week for another episode of Come On In.